So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question from definite integration that came in JEE Mains 2026 paper that was held on 22nd January, shift 1. So let's solve this. This question we have to find the value of dx upon greatest integer function of x plus 4 limits from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So let's first see what a greatest integer function is. A greatest integer function is denoted by this graph. It means that if we have a value between 1 and 2 and it is 1.5, then greatest integer function of 1.5 would be 1. If we have a value minus 0.6, so greatest integer function of minus 0.6 would be minus 1. So as we can see from the graph, whenever a number is between 1 and 2, the greatest integer function value would be the greatest integer lesser than that decimal value, which is 1. Whenever the value is minus 0.6, it would be minus 1. The value preceding that number would be given by the greatest integer function. So let's solve this question. We have minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx upon greatest integer function plus 4. So we can break this definite integration into some brackets, which is minus pi by 2 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 is approximately equal to minus 1.57. Pi by 2 is approximately equal to 1.57. So we can break this integral into four parts, which is minus pi by 2 to minus 1 dx upon mod x plus 4 plus minus 1 to 0 dx upon greatest integer function plus 4, 0 to 1 dx upon greatest integer function plus 4, and 1 to pi by 2 dx upon greatest integer function x plus 4. So all the values lying between minus pi by 2 to 1 would map to minus 2. So this would become minus 2. In this integral, the GIA function would give us minus 2. All the values between minus 1 and 0 would succumb to minus 1. All the values between 0 and 1 would succumb to 0. All the values between 1 to pi by 2 would fall to 1. So what we have done is, all the given intervals, we have calculated the value of GIF of x, which is greatest integer function of x, in that interval, and we'll substitute the values of GIF of x in the integrals now, which would give us minus pi by 2 to minus 1 dx upon 2 plus minus 1 to 0 dx upon 3 plus dx upon 4 0 to 1 plus 1 to pi by 2 dx upon 5. After so just now we have to calculate these integrals, which would give us pi by 2 minus 1 1 by 3 1 1 by 4 1 1 by 5 pi by 2 minus 1. When we rearrange these terms, we'll get 7 pi by 20 minus 7 by 60. So the correct answer would be option B. Thanks for watching.